A water main break in Buffalo caused major flooding last night. People were evacuated by raft, and firefighters had to save people trapped in cars.
News 4's Patrick Ryan is live at the intersection of Hertel and Military with the latest on repairs and what people saw. Patrick, what can you tell us?
Hi, Jeff and Jordan. Well, it looks a lot different here today than it did yesterday. Crews still working to repair this water main here behind me at the corner of Hertel Avenue and Military Road. The DPW commissioner for Buffalo, Nolan Skipper, tells me the pipe that broke is cast iron and it was from about 1932. He says those who live in this area do have water right now. This was a look at the scene before 10 o'clock last night. Nearby residents were evacuated on this raft, and the water was almost waist deep on rescuers. And this vehicle submerged the water almost up to the door handles. Buffalo Fire helped about 8 people trapped in their vehicles. Thankfully, no injuries reported there. The city telling us about 26 residents in the neighborhood, including the Jasper Parish Housing Complex, were evacuated. Evacuees taken to warming shelters. 5 people were in need of emergency housing help. We spoke with Reese Nash, who lives nearby.
Like I said, I got a call from someone outside the neighborhood who asked me if I was affected. Told them no. When I came out, the water was up to door handles on vehicles. I know there's some vehicles over here now that are totally disabled because their car was fully submerged in water.
There are independent contractors who are on a site already today. They dug down, they found the main, they're evaluating it now, but the larger cost is going to be the damage to the street on that intersection, because it was a 36-inch water main that was under a lot of pressure, so it buckled pavement in and around that area. But this is a tough time to repair. Like, the asphalt factories aren't open in the winter.
Mayor Sean Ryan there says we won't know for a while the cost to make the Hertel repair here. Commissioner Skipper says the goal is to get Hertel and the south leg of Military Road open to traffic by 8 or 9 p.m. tonight. Now, last week, Deputy Mayor Benjamin Swanekamp told us that the city has been receiving about 2 to 3 water main breaks a day. And if you've had any damage to your property, you can begin the claim process for that damage by contacting the city's law department. That number should be on your screen right now. It's 716-851-4343. Much more coming up in the next hour of News 4. We're live in Buffalo. Patrick Ryan, News 4.